You have the current, you have the temperature of the cells, you have the address. Hello everyone. This is a smart battery for drones, and this is a smart battery reader, and I will show you in a minute what you can do with this one. So why do you need a smart battery? Most of the drones today, they are using smart batteries. DJI uses and some other manufacturer uses. And the reason is simple. You need a smart battery because you need to measure the state of charge and the state of health of the battery, which measures the individual cell. If you have 6 cells in series, you'll have to know the state of charge, the voltage for each individual cell. And it also takes care about balancing individual cells. So it's a device that take care of the cell's health. Okay, so that's the main reason of a smart battery, and that device, it's called BMS. It's called the battery management system, and it's a device like this one. It's a small board which has some transistors for enable and disable the charging and also the load. It has a temperature sensor, and it has a microcontroller. In fact, it's called battery gauge, and it's a chip specially designed to take care of the charging and monitoring the battery, and also for safety, for high currents, for short circuit protection, for overcharge, over discharge, and so on. So in my case, I have this smart battery that I built myself. Inside has 4 cells, so it's a 4S battery. Also has a small board like this, the BMS, and a couple of connectors. So the high power connector, the XT60, and the small connector for powering the reader, the smart battery reader. Also the data cable, which is I2C or SMBus, which is called for the smart batteries. And also we have this little device. It's called M5 Dial, and you can find it as it is, like a small round display with a push button in center, so you can push it and it clicks, and you can do an action if you click it. And inside it has an ESP32 module, and you can program that to actually read and decode the SMBus protocol. If you want to do it yourself, you'll find the source code on my GitHub account, link in the description. So working with the device, it's pretty simple. You just power it directly from the cells, because the output of the smart battery might be turned off. So you connect the small cable, and you also plug in the data connector, the SMBus, and it will start show some information on the screen. And you have here the absolute state of charge, the relative state of charge. You have the current, you have the temperature of the cells, you have the address of the SMBus device, number of cycles, and also it tells you if the load it's on or off. So if you have power on this connector or not. And you actually can turn on or off the load by clicking on the button of the device. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.